Welcome to the online course that will teach you how to record your own online course using the Canva app. Now, this video is coming as a solution, which solves as a solution that solves a common problem with many course creators on how to set up to record the wonderful idea you have that you want to teach in that online course. Usually, it's a big problem because a lot of times course creators are not that technologically inclined, to set up a camera, set up the recording device or to get to a studio. Most times all these props get to discourage many course creators from creating an online course. I am sure it must have set you back a number of times from creating your online course. I'm sure if you had known this before, you would have gone way ahead of where you are today. So I think it's a good news that Canva actually has launched a tool that can help you record your screen, record your slides, and your speaking at the same time. For me, when I started creating courses, it was big hassle for me. When I've created my slides, and I'll now have to think about how to do my audio recording to sync with the slides. And after doing that, we note several texts. I'll still have to come and merge the slides and the audio together. So it was a big problem. So I'll spend weeks upon weeks to produce an online course that is synced together. But with this Canva tool, you can do it within in a jiffy, as long as the particular session is going to last. You just run it all through. And the good thing about this feature also is that you can run with a script. You can do your script, and as you are speaking, so everything goes accurately. You don't make errors. There'll be no mistakes. So this is a wonderful tool for course creators, and I am so excited to share this knowledge with you. At the end of the day, by the time you're done with this online course with me, you will come out better. You'll be churning out online courses like never before, week in, week out. So I welcome you to join me. All right, you're already here. Wow. So it's going to be a jolly ride. It's going to be an exciting time. So I look forward to seeing the online courses you're going to create with the Canva app at the end of the day. So watch the next video, and you get to see what I'm talking about. Welcome to the game changer to your online course creation.